In this video, I'm going to show you how to change wallet on Axiom Pro. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is log into your Axiom Pro account. And in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you're inside Axiom, you want to go to the very top right where you can see this profile icon and the cog icon next to it. Click on that and click on account and security. From here, what you want to do is here under wallets, you want to click on manage wallets. Now, once you've clicked this, over here you will see your active wallet, and in case you've never created the second wallet, there will be nothing else. So for me, I have a second wallet over here. I'm gonna archive it right now just so I can see it. There we go. Create wallet over here if you want to create a new wallet inside Axiom, and what this will do is create a new wallet instantly over here, which you can then start using. However, you can also import wallets by clicking import over here, and then you'll have to enter in the private key and click on import wallet, and your wallet with the private key will be imported into Axiom. And then if you want to change the wallets, what you have to do is over here right now, as you can see, this orange one, the Axiom main, is my main wallet. And if you want it to not be active anymore, but you want to switch it, for example, for this one, you want to uncheck it over here and then check this one where it says set as active wallet, and now this is going to become your active wallet. What you can also do is make it primary by clicking over here on this star icon, and via that you'll basically make it your primary wallet, which will be switched with the one you had earlier. So that's pretty much it. If you then want to change back, you just can uncheck this and check this again, and there we go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.